totally secret. Okay, if you're doing the spy experiment, the invisible ink, this is what it will probably look like. I'm going to do a demo. You can always tweak it to make it work for you, but you're going to need some supplies like this, at least a lemon. I got some other fruit because I'm interested in seeing if other fruit juice also produces a really nice invisible ink. I don't know. That would be something you could try. That would be a variable, right? Different fruits. I got a container to catch the lemon juice in. I've got a few little Q-tips we're going to use as like my pencil. Um, I didn't bring a lamp outside, but this is to represent a source of heat. Okay, and an incandescent light bulb like this produces just a perfect amount. So I'll put that to the side. Discuss that in a minute. I've got a pencil, but this is an optional thing. It'll probably make your secret note harder to read, harder to decipher. Okay, this is how we do it. Get a knife. If you're not sure about how to do this safely, get an adult to help you. Come on. Get the lemon. I don't need much. I'm going to save the rest and use it for tea, so I'll put those guys away. Whew. And now I get to write a note. Okay? So the idea is, when I write this, oh, you can't even see it. Make sure I have enough on there. That's awesome. So I wrote a note. You can see there's some big drops of juice. That's a good disguise. I got a note. I'm going to let it dry a bit. Once it's dry, it's invisible. Nobody would know that there's a special code, a special secret on this piece of paper, right? Now, the way to see it come out is to actually heat it up a bit. So if you have a lamp in your house, it might have a cover on it. Talk to somebody, make sure it's okay to remove that cover, right? The lamp shade, they're often called. Or some of those reading lamps you just turn upside down, right? What you can do is gently hold the paper above the incandescent bulb, and the heat is going to cause some chemistry to happen in the juice of the lemon and cause it to change color. And all of a sudden, boom, that secret message becomes very visible. Hopefully it's in the hands of the right person. Here's one thing with this though. Make sure whoever's in the house, an adult, is okay with you using that, right? The second thing is don't push the paper into the bulb, because this, if you put it like that and then walked away, it could be a fire threat, right? So we want to make sure that it's in a safe spot. You're always with it, and when you're leaving your science area, the bulb gets turned off and the paper gets taken to a different spot, right? They're never left together. That's important. Now, if you're thinking about making it more disguised, you can take a pencil and you could write some other things on there. You could write, I like going to the beach. You might write some fake information like, the man with the brown hat has the secret note, even though it's totally something different, because if the bad guys see that, they'll think they got the right message, but underneath, your secret is actually in there. So you can make your note disguised more by putting penciled stuff on there. The other thing you can do is change your variables. I told you. How would orange juice work? How would squeezing apple juice work and put it on there? Would it work just as good? They both have some acids in them, which is kind of, I think, what the chemistry is happening here. Maybe they'll work. I don't know. I was thinking about using a different paper. Would that make it better visibility or worse visibility? I don't know. And the light source. Is there a certain level you need to hold that paper? Maybe you're going to get your tape measure out and you're going to say, yeah, 2 inches is like the magical number to hold it, to get that code to all of a sudden become visible so you can see it. Maybe you got to get closer. So that's a variable you could try. lots of different things. So good luck.